In this video, I'll guide you through a gentle sequence designed to help you reduce pain and stress. Perfect for practicing on your bed, a mat, or to unwind at the end of the day. These movements can help release tension and bring relief. If you have back or knee injuries, please consult your doctor before trying these poses. For additional variations, check out the video linked in the description box. Begin by laying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Now hug your knees in towards your chest and rock side to side. And when you're ready, find some stillness. Take 3 deep, slow breaths here. When you're ready, hold on to your right knee. Allow your left foot to fall down onto the mat if that feels good, or you could extend it forward. Now gently lean your right knee towards your right for a deeper stretch, and take 3 slow deep breaths here. When you're ready, come back to center. Let go of your right leg. Allow it to fall down on the mat. Now hug your left knee in towards your chest. You do the same thing. When you're ready, gently lean your left leg out towards the left. Hold and take 3 deep breaths. When you're ready, come back up to center. Let go of your left leg. Allow your left foot to fall onto the mat and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Now windshield wiper your legs to side to side. Hug your knees one more time into your chest. Rock side to side. Now let go of your legs and allow your feet to fall flat on the floor. Now lift your right ankle and place it over your left knee. Rock your legs side to side and find some stillness. And lift your left leg up and grab on to the inside of your left knee. Now hold and take 3 deep breaths here. When you're ready, let go of your leg and allow your legs to gently fall towards the left side. And cactus your arms by your sides and gaze towards the right. And take 3 deep breaths. A nice gentle twist. When you're ready, coming back up to center, taking your right ankle off your left knee and bringing it down onto the mat. Doing the same thing on the other side, lifting your left ankle over the right knee and rock side to side. And find some stillness and lifting your right leg up and grabbing onto the insides of your right knee. Hold and take 3 deep breaths here. When you're ready, let go of your leg. Allow your legs to fall towards the right, sending your gaze towards the left, and cactus your arms, and take 3 deep breaths here. And when you're ready, come back up to center, taking your left ankle off your right knee, and windshield wiper your legs side to side. And when you're ready, finding some stillness. Now bringing your feet closer together, separate your knees and allow them to fall towards the sides, bringing the soles of your feet together. If you need to, you can use blocks underneath your hips. You can keep your arms cactused, or you can bring them down by your sides. Now take about 5 deep, slow breaths here. When you're ready, using your hands, gently bring your knees back together and rock your legs side to side. And come to center. Now lift your knees over your hips and send your heels up towards the sky. And grab onto the backs of your knees for support. Rotate your ankles, open and close your toes, wiggle your toes, and find some stillness. And take about 5 deep breaths here. And when you're ready, bend your knees, roll up your legs, allow your feet to fall onto the mat. Extend your feet out into Shavasana. And you can stay here for as long as you need to. I hope you found this helpful. Wishing you well. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, send me a message through the contact information on my channel.